my name is Jan. I'm coming from Zurich in Switzerland, and I'm quite living often here with friends from Turkey in Antalya. And this summer I decided spontaneously for dental treatment because my big problem always was on photos. My godchild, a very good photographer, always told me, please smile on photos. And I always just doing like this because I didn't like my teeth. So spontaneously I decided to have a look in internet what kind of dentist I could have a look for, and it was by chance I arrived finally here by Myra Clinic. It was just one page I had a look for. I came here with my friend from Turkey, and we spoke to Dr. Erdem, and we were so confident about his professionality, and very surprised also about Gülcan, about the accommodation we had here, very friendly, and so we very quickly decided to make this treatment. I would lie when I wouldn't have also my problem. For sure, for my personally, I was not a very easy patient, but I was very happy. So the doctor always had enough time, took enough time to explain me every step. When I'm worried, he always explained me and took my fear. So I felt very comfortable to stay here. And with the final result, I'm very, very happy about it.